Hello sa mga siwa! Sumabit na naman, ano? Hello, this time nandito naman at... at ito na naman tayo. May bago tayong bike check and this time this is from Ken's. Ano? Nagbabike tayo ng Ken's na bike. And kung if you have some little information about Ken's bike or Ken's Philippines, matunog itong Ken's bike pagdating sa mga budget trail frame. Nag-check ako sa kanyang Facebook page, Ken's Bike Philippines, na ito, malulupit ng kanyang mga sample ng mga bike. Talagang if you can see on the design of the frame, talagang pang trail siya. At this time, meron tayong may bike check na yung mga unang labas niya. Meron natang lumabas na Ken's MTB Series 1 and this is the Ken's MTB Series 2. So again, this is from Bikeworkx, nakita natin. So gusto natin makita ng iba pang mga custom built na bike from Ken's. And again, let's start from its frame. And for its frame, it has a yellow matte na alloy frame. Ayan, yellow matte, ang meron ng kulay, talagang kumikinang-kinang. Yellow matte na alloy at napakagano ng mga, hindi siya smooth welding pero ayan, maayos yung pagka-welds. I have all the angles from the top tube. Okay, Ken's. Hindi ko tulad ng mga bagong labas na tie rams or ano bang model nila na may nakalagay na model. At dito wala nakalagay. Nakalagay lang yung brand name na Ken's. And according to my research, yun nga, ito yung mga series 2 ng Ken's bike. Ken's MTB bike. So the seat stay, the chain stay, and wherever you want to stay. Yung mga all the angles of the possible angles na pwede nyo makita sa kanyang frame. Next would be the fork. The fork is, ayan, meron tayong suspension fork na siguro, steel pa yung fork niya, Hindi ko sure. Kaya tinakuha na ng konting pero it has a suspension fork. And for the cockpit, it has a combo shifter and the alloy cockpit. Yung brand ng combo shifter is Skillful. Ayan. So, ayan. So, from the seat post and the handlebars and the saddle. Kanyang cockpit. A negative step ata. Okay. And next will be the drivetrain. It has a 3x7 setup. Okay. Na ang brand ng RD is Power! Okay? And yun nga, 3x7 setup sa kanyang drivetrain. Ayan, kanyang non-drive side. Which is, if you look at the crank and the, pwede siyang i-upgrade sa mga for future use na you want to upgrade also your ride. So you might as well upgrade your parts para less hassle. Sa kanyang tires, ayan, yung tire knobs. At ano nga ba yung niya? Ito sa 27 by 2.3 na Kyling brand. So, observe may 27 by 2.3, 2.3 nga. Yan. Okay, and I don't know about the rim. Kung pero parang naka pa yung rim, check nga natin.
One eternity later.
Hindi pa describe yung rims, parang B-brake pa yung B-brake pa yung rim niya. And lastly, sa kanyang rotors and calipers. And it has 160 millimeters of rotors and a mechanical disc calipers. Okay? And meron din siyang stand. So, another critique of the bike. Yan. Again, this will be all for now, mga kasipa, and I hope not to see you to visit their Ken's Bike Philippines. I'll be including their page, link of the page on the description box of the video. You might check as well kung ano mga available sa kanila. And if you have other inquiries regarding the bikes, you can just contact Bikeworkx. Active naman yung kanilang page. Ano? Sa mga nagtiyatsaga, syempre mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa yung ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, no? Pero syempre para sa akin mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? And this will be all for now mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video.